All right, English 12 for Monday, February 1st. So our assignment today is going to read chapters 5 and 6, which are pretty short. 6 is like 2 or 3 pages long. So yeah, if you brought your text home, great. If not, remember that I posted a PDF version online in class materials in Google Classroom. So just go there and read that. So here I need you to, kind of culminate all the things that we've been talking about, these last few weeks. We're kind of reaching a fever pitch here in Big Brother land. So my first question is, what do you think the point of all the nonstop hate week preparations are about? Okay, so think about, maybe think back to the Trinity, and Big Brother's goals for people, especially in Winston's situation. So again, just kind of, there's no right or wrong answer. I mean, there's an answer, but it's not necessarily spelled out on the page or anything like that. You got to do some thinking. Okay, so we're doing some kind of analysis here, right? Some deeper level stuff. Speaking of, also in chapter 5, Winston's health is improving. So what could potentially be the cause of that? So again, think about what he's kind of been going through this last month or so in the novel. I think he's been rebelling for a little over a month now, and been with Julia for several weeks. So again, kind of think about everything that we've been talking about, and when we first met Winston, he was in pretty bad shape, but now he seems to be doing much, much better. So what could be some causes for that? And then lastly, and this is your own opinion for number 3, because this is what Winston and Julia talk about in this chapter. Do you personally feel kind of responsible for living your life in order to make things better for the next generation? So why or why not? You need to explain to me, not just say yes or no. Okay? So, some people want to take all they can from life and don't really care about the next generation. Other people, base their life on hopefully improving situations for people in the future. Okay, so just go ahead and type those up in a couple of sentences each and turn in through email, please. Okay, not Google Classroom. All right? Okay, see you tomorrow.